Today I'm going to be showing how to either enable or disable indexing of encrypted files on Windows 10. So by default, Windows automatically indexes files to give you faster search results when navigating your computer. However, the search index will only include selected locations, so you can actually filter by certain file types that you do not want to have indexed. And this is where, if we do not want to have encrypted files indexed into our search, and you might want to have it enabled or disabled, this tutorial is for you guys. So Windows Search actually does restrict access to encrypted files to searchers on your local computer, and it will not return encrypted files in search results when query is initiated on a remote location. So in this tutorial, I will be showing how to enable or disable access to encrypted files for all users of Windows 10, not just an administrative account. However, we will need an administrative account in order to make this initial change. So what we're going to do is head over to our Start menu, and what we're going to do is type in Control Panel. Should be listed right above the desktop app, and you want to left click under the view by category. Set it to either large icons or small icons. I'm going to set it to large, and then you want to left click on the option that says indexing options. So left click on that. So underneath indexing options, left click on the advanced button right here. Okay, so underneath index settings, if you want to turn on indexing of encrypted files, left click the little box next to index encrypted files, and then you'll receive a pop-up saying cannot verify data security. Don't continue until you verify the full volume encryption, such as BitLocker, drive encryption, or a non-Microsoft solution is being used for the location of the index. So you can disregard this at this point if you've already made it this far, and just left click on continue. This will enable indexing of encrypted files on your local computer for all users. And at that point, you just click on OK. And now, if you wanted to disable that feature, you would just go back underneath Advanced. And then just uncheck Index Encrypted Files. And then you will receive a different pop-up here saying selecting or clearing the index encrypted files checkbox will immediately rebuild the index. Depending on how many files you have, this can take up to several hours to complete. Searches might be incomplete while the index is being rebuilt. To rebuild the index, click OK. At that point, just click on OK. And then OK again to get it out of that window. And then once you're back underneath the indexing options, you can just click on the close button to get out of it if you would like. And that's pretty much it, guys. So pretty straightforward. I hope you guys enjoyed this brief tutorial, and I hope to see you in the next video. Goodbye.